Hey guys, it's Leslie here with That Hot Mess Mama. If you don't know me, I am That Hot Mess Mama. And basically what I do is I just give tips on stress management for busy parents or busy professionals that may not be parents, or they might be parents as well, and students. Basically, my thinking is stress has become a way of life, and I don't agree with it. I think there's ways we can reduce our stress. So I do offer online courses and stuff on how to do stress management. But on top of that, I like to embrace my hot mess mama side and come up with mama hacks for mamas on the go, working mamas, even stay-at-home mamas who just maybe need a little comedy, maybe a little reassurance in their life. I know I was there once, so I'm pretty sure those feelings are there. So today's mama hack is a mama survival kit. This is for you on the go or just to have around your place. It's supposed to be comedic, so take it with a grain of salt, but maybe it'll work for you. So what I have for you today is the ultimate mama survival guide. Pick a bag, any bag. You might want it, a decent size. I prefer backpacks. I do carry purses, but when it comes to like going out for the day, especially if I'm with my kids or whatever, bring a backpack. Now this is only for you mamas. Your kids have their own things. They might have their own backpacks that they want to carry. You might have a diaper bag that has their own stuff. This is just for you. Just for you. All right? So pack it with things you're going to want. Here's my recommendations. Have a book with you, because you never know when you're going to have that moment where you just have to sit and relax and forget the world. Maybe the kids are off playing. Maybe they found a friend somewhere, whatever. Enjoy reading. Into the bag. Earbuds, headphones, whatever it is you want. You have music on your phone. Maybe you have an MP3, iPod, whatever. Do those still exist? Anyway, whatever form you have your music on, maybe you just want to forget about things for a little while, whatever. Earbuds, plug them in, plug it into your device, into the bag. It's good. Snacks. These are mama snacks. I know they look like kid snacks, but mamas need food too. And sometimes we don't know when we're getting our next meal because we're so busy doing the day-to-day things. Have some snacks available. Into the bag. I'm a big lover of lip stain. It's something that I can put on, forget about. I go for like 16 to 18 hours a day sometimes. The stain usually stays on regardless of what I eat or drink, but every now and again you just kind of want to freshen up. Lipstick, lip stain, whatever it is you want, into the bag. You're good for the day. But there's one more thing you could do. Coffee lover, tea lover, hot drink lover, cold drink lover, grab yourself a to-go mug. Yes, this is a little bit of a shameless plug. This is from my website, at hotmessmama.com. It is a to-go mug. It is insulated. It is stainless steel. It is lovely. It holds a fair amount of coffee or tea, and I quite like how the colors came out. That, and there isn't anything in it right now, but when there is, it's absolutely leak proof. Into the bag. That is your mama survival guide. Everything in there, you should be good to go for the day. I'd love to hear your comments on this video. If there's anything you'd ever want to add to a mama survival kit, let me know. And yeah, hope you enjoy this video. Check out my website, check out my YouTube channel, That Hot Mess Mama, for more mama hacks, more comedic videos. Basically, I just love having fun. So that's the gist of it. Bye guys.